Snoring is caused by a partial or complete obstruction of your sinuses. Struggling to breathe during the night makes you tired in the morning, and it reduces your productivity during the day. To solve the problem, you need Good Nighter, a herbal spray that relaxes the soft palate and cleanses the airways. Thanks to Good Nighter, you fall asleep faster and breathe with ease. Get 8 hours of soundless sleep. Simply visit goodnighter.com and order your solution today.